do you want to install Spatial Wallpaper on your Apple Watch? And here is a video for you. So as you can see right there, I have a Spatial Wallpaper which is like 3D. You can see the clock is under or beneath the water. So now let me show you how to do it. It is very easy. First of all, you need to download the application called Clockology on your iPhone. So just go ahead and go into the App Store. Okay, let me go into the App Store real quick. And then all you have to do is just search for Clockology, something like this. You're gonna install this app and make sure it is also installed on your Apple Watch. To check, you need to go into Watch. Okay, go to Watch app and then scroll all the way down. And you're gonna find if for some reason if it does not install, it's gonna pop up Clockology right there. Just go ahead and click on install. It is going to install on your Apple Watch. And after that, you also go back to the home screen of your Apple Watch. And now click on Clockology right there. Just open something like that. And then you need to go back here and you need to download the custom watch first. Go to Facebook. And you need to go into this group called Clockology Fan, and then click on search. You're gonna search for Spatial Wallpaper, and you're gonna find it appear on the top here. You need to download this watch first. Now let me open in a browser. Just copy it, go back to Safari, and then make sure you paste. Okay, click on download. Click on download one more time, and now it download to your phone. Click on it, it will open directly into Clockology right there. And then all you have to do is just click on sync. Okay, and now just wait on your Apple Watch. It is going to install the watch first. You need to remember that this isn't a native watch first. It is a custom app, so you need to open the app and stay on the app. But when the watch is turned off and when you wake it up, sometimes it go out, so you need to make sure you stay on this app. But it's kind of cool for me. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.